In this quick video, I'll show you how to connect yarn and weave in your tails neatly with the I-cord edges. These little details make such a difference. They give your scarf a clean, seamless finish. So grab your project and let's take care of those final touches together. Show you how I'm connecting the way that it won't be very noticeable. Here I have a little bit left of the thread, and it's time to connect my yarn with a new skein, and I want to hide it in this I-cord here. So it's highly recommended, even if you have a longer tail left, to do it in the edges so it won't be visible. Otherwise you need to hide it in the pattern and it might show. I prefer to hide it the way it won't be noticeable whatsoever. And for this I just make a note, just a regular one here, right in the base of the of this edge where I have 3 stitches left. So when we turn it around, it won't be visible. Yeah, so just try to tighten it as close to the yarn here, like the working one, so we can tackle this in afterwards. And now I'll just turn my knitting around and start working, ignoring this for a while, and later on I'll show you how to hide the threads inside of the I-cord, but it's quite easy. Just try to pull it a little bit, the knot inside, so it won't be sticking out. Just hold it slightly when you knit this first couple rows, but then it's will be hidden inside. You see the knot will stay here, and then we tackle the ends afterwards. So here I just carry on knitting here. See, it's already inside. Show you how to tackle this in. I'll just insert the needle in my I-cord. Okay, just to avoid any bulkiness, do them in different directions, so one will go up and one will go down. So this is the first one. If there is some thread sticking out still, give it a short. Yeah, well, it's not very noticeable, the connection. I can spot a little bump here, but in the big picture it would be difficult to notice. And the last thing left is just hiding the threads. It would be easy with this I-cord. Insert our needle right here in the I-cord. So you see, that's where I am, in this place here. So in this some sort of braid that I-cord formed. Okay, I inserted the needle into I-cord and just simply pull it in. Then it's ready to wear.